Hello friends, welcome to my channel Simple Gardening Tips. So friends, today I am discussing about Portulaca or moss rose and how to increase Portulaca or moss rose flowering. So friends, Portulaca or moss rose is a beautiful flowering plant. It is the most popular flowering plant during the summer season. Blooming in Portulaca is the best time in India between April to September. From the beginning of summer to the end of the monsoon, Portulaca plants bloom very well. Moss rose or Portulaca belong to the Portulaceae family. Botanical name Portulaca grandiflora. Moss rose most beautiful and popular plant in the Portulaceae family. Growing Portulaca is very easy to care, for even a beginner gardener can grow it successfully. You can grow the Portulaca plant from its seeds and its cuttings very easily. Also, this flowering plant grows very well in a hanging pot. Portulaca or moss rose is a succulent perennial flowering plant. This Portulaca flowering plant is also known by various names such as moss rose, 9 o'clock, time flower, etc. Soil type. These plants need a mixture of clean and well-drained soil. It also grows in all type of soil, but too much waterlogging at the base of the plants can damage the roots. So you should not use soggy clay soil or very hard soil. Portulaca has very shallow fibrous roots. So the plant absorbs all the nutrient and moisture from the topsoil. So it is highly advised, I will tell you, that if you want to get too many flowers, prepare fresh soil for this plant every year. When changing or repotting the soil of this plant at the end of winter or at the beginning of summer, but never do this during the flowering season. Make the best soil mix for the Portulaca plant. We will use garden soil 50%, any compost 30%, sand 20%, and also some amount of neem cake dust and bone meal powder at this potting mix. Pot selection. This plant grows well in all type of containers, but should be selected in wide container with at least 6 inch depth with drainage holes for best blooming. Sunlight. You can keep the plant in direct sunlight or at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. Then you will get lots of flowers from this plant. Portulaca can grow indoors, but it needs heat and sunlight to grow properly. Watering. Portulaca is a succulent plant and the stem contains a lot of water. So you must see the soil of this plant and water it. However, in summer you may have to water every day, but avoid completely drying the plant soil, and also overwatering in the soil can cause root rot in this plant, so maintain watering the plant. Next, fertilizer. As we know, Portulaca plants do not require too much fertilizer. Regular fertilizer is not required in Portulaca plants if mixed good quality slow release organic fertilizer once in the soil mix before planting. But to get more flowers, we must use any homemade liquid fertilizer every 50 to 20 days for these succulents. You can use such as fermented mustard cake, cow dung cake, banana peel, and also use seaweed liquid fertilizer. If you use chemical fertilizer, then use phosphorus based fertilizer to increase the size and quality of flowers. Next, removal of dead flowers or deadheadings. Deadheading is another great strategy to keep your plant healthy, bushy, and get more flowers. In fact, it is method that helps the plants get cleaner, healthier, and get more flowers. For this, we will prune the dried flower and stem. One of the reasons for reduced flowering in Portulaca is seed formation. So if you think this is the problem, remove all the dead flowers and branches from the plant. I know it is not very easy to get dead in Portulaca, but the result will be nice if you manage. Next, pest. This is a serious problem. Portulaca is extremely prone to mealybug attacks. Mealybug attack is common after heavy rain or during the rainy season. So you can move your plants under the shade or apply some pesticide or fungicide regularly. So friends, I hope you like this video very much, and if you like it, you must click the thumbs up, share, and also comment on this video in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. So friends, thank you. Happy gardening.